Hello everybody and welcome back to Amazing Tech for All. Today I'm going to show you a 3D printed fish feeder that I've been using in my fish tanks for the last while. So the problem that I have at the moment is that I cannot get you the STL files to print this because I have lost it and I see that Thingiverse doesn't seem to have it anymore. So I'm not capable of designing it myself, but maybe somebody else can do another design. I'm very appreciative of the one that was designed, but yes, let's take a look at the various components. Firstly, we'll take a look at this is the container where the food goes into, and it then sits on top of a tube that the fish food gets rotated through, it gets pushed through, right? So this tube is, you can see hollow on the inside, and this is where the main tube from where the food get pushed through. The second part, the third part rather, is the auger. You can see I printed it in various colors. It was just the filament that I had available. It has a specific profile that allows for a little stepper motor to fit into, right? So that goes into, let's see, if we put it in here, we can put that on top of it, and you will see that it fits into together like this. This is how it fits. As you can see, then the tube or the container will sit on top of it. That would, I think we'd refer to that as the hopper, right? Then we also have a section that clamps onto, let's see, that clamps onto the tube. It'll hold it into place like so, right? And then this would be the second part that holds it into place. So we'll connect the motor. Let me get to the motor quickly first. So the electronic components for this would be a little stepper motor, which is a 28 BYJ 48 motor, 5-volt motor. It's a little stepper motor. It does a really good job. It does a really good job at controlling it. And then the intelligence sits on this little device called a Node MCU or ESP8266. You program this to accept incoming requests, and it then connects to your motor. It rotates your motor. The other thing that we need is a driver for the motor, and this little driver. Okay, as you can see, now it is assembled. This is quite loose at the moment. One of the things that there was a little clamp that was printed for this area over here that allowed you to hold it into place. You can see if you separate the two, there's a little lip on the edge of this that allows it to put something in there that'll hold these two together. So the next video that I'll make, we'll do the programming on the Node MCU, then connect it up to the driver, and then we will see if we can make this thing feed the fish. For the next video,